We're gonna start off with prepping our skin, making it glow, because we're gonna do like a natural full beat look. So I'm gonna take this banana souffle moisture cream by Glow Recipe, and this is like a little sample size from Ipsy. So I'm gonna take my little baby professional. Look how tiny this is. I have a few of these little samples, so I'm just gonna use them. I'm gonna kind of blur my pores a little bit, so center of face, nose, and chin area. Pretty much everywhere, okay? Especially the center of your face. Okay, so I haven't done like a full beat in so long. We're gonna do the brows first. So I'm taking my Foolproof Brow Powder by Benefit in shade 5 with their angled brush. So I just fill in my eyebrows. I know they look super crazy right now, but we're gonna put some concealer to clean up a little bit. Take my Benefit Boing concealer and with a flat brush just carve out my brow on the bottom part. And I'm going to apply this concealer all over my lid as my base for my eyeshadow. This one has concealer underneath that eyebrow onto the lid, so it just kind of cancels out any darkness. And that's what we need to make our shadow pop, and it also lasts long too. So after that, you can either go on with your shadow or you can set it, and I like to set it. So I'm going to take my translucent powder. I'm going to just take a little blending brush and just set. I'm going to use the Violet Voss 6 color eyeshadow Impress pigment palette. And it has these gorgeous shades. I love the neutrals. I love the pop color. Take the color Silk, which is this very light color, and just blend it onto the crease. It's very, very light, but it has some color in there. Then I'm going to build up the crease and the outer corner with the darker browns in this palette. I'm going to do my foundation, and I'm taking my Double Wear Estee Lauder in shade Tawny. I still haven't got a pump for this. Oh my god. So I literally just pour it on my hands, on my finger, and tap, 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 tap everywhere. Then I just blend it with a sponge. It smells like, I don't know. It's like a strong, weird smell, but I kind of like it. It's kind of weird. I just dot it everywhere and then blend it out. So cute. So lashes are on. We're starting to feel like a complete face beat here. So I'm going to do some cream contour and some highlighting. So for cream contour, I'm taking this Avon Magic's wand. And this is in the shade Amaretto. It's just like a foundation stick. But I think it's a perfect shade for me for cream contouring. And I like how it blends. It's a little bit more on the thicker side, but I like the outcome. And I'm very messy with it. I like to put a lot right here on my cheeks. That's a lot for me. That's like a lot for me. My nose. There you go. I try to do like the thinnest line possible on my nose, but we're gonna blend that out. I'm gonna take this brush by LaRousse Beauty. This is the LR331 flat angle brush, and it's just a very interesting shape, and it's also kind of fluffy. Like, it's not a flat brush, even though it says flat angle brush, but I don't think it's too flat, and I feel like it just blends this out. So I left this on my face for a little bit just so it can get a little warm, and the blending will be easier. So I just blend this literally onto my hairline. So this right here will give you like that face beat. You know what I mean? Like, it's gonna look so good in pictures. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me so you guys could see my photos. And look at that. This looks so good. This brush is so soft. So I'm just blending this upward, and I'm also going to use my sponge. I don't want to blend the nose contour too much because I'm going to apply concealer. And I actually just tried this new trick. I learned it on TikTok. You literally bring your concealer right here and right here and really close to your nose. Like this. And it's a game changer. Put it in the center And then right here, lip and chin. It really just lifts your eye. And it looks so noticeable in pictures. So this is it right here, the map. You guys already know my face is super matte right now and I want to glow. So I'm going to use Elbiana by Patricia Cosmetics. I know. I love this highlighter so much. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush. And we're going to glow, guys. She's cute. You guys can use code Danna. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna use her setting spray for the first time. Mom girl, you did a good job. I'm gonna put her link downstairs. I'll put her link in the description so you guys can check it out. So if you guys like highlight, check it out. If you guys like setting spray, here she is. Here she is. Look at her. Like, I need these like all over my shelf. For lips, I'm gonna do Fenty. I'm actually just gonna apply it right now. I love Fussy though. Fussy is a really good one. I need to get my hands on it, but this one is just perfect color and more like of a brown, warm, neutral color. And then Fussy has like more pink undertone, which I really like that one too. Gel by Benefit. The 24-hour brow setter. Yes. And it's just clear. I'm just brushing my eyebrows up. I don't want to do my makeup like a full face. I'm like, I'm not going anywhere. Like, people are going to look at me like, where's she going? But who cares? Like, who cares if you have a full face of makeup and you're not going anywhere? It doesn't matter. Feel nice. I know for sure I'm going to be home for Christmas. With like a full face of makeup and probably some PJs. Who's going to do that? I think that's the plan. So I'm going to do the shadow on the bottom and then some mascara. You guys are going to see how pretty this is going to look. So I'm going to set my face. I'm so excited to try this out because it smells so good. And I need to do my hair in a little bit. All right, so I'm going to shake it a little bit. I already sprayed it and I love the mist. It's just like the perfect mist. It's not like it doesn't shoot out. It's very fine. And this spray bottle is everything. So that is it for this video. You guys need to definitely check out this setting spray. It's so good. Like, I'm just like, I can't wait to do my makeup again just to wear it. it just does something to your face. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy this look. Perfect for Christmas, perfect for the new year, and it's just really pretty. It goes with everything. So if you guys don't know what to wear, if you guys are gonna wear pajamas, it goes with everything. So hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment down below if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Oh, my eyes. Oh, my eyes are so blended. I know, right? I haven't done eyeshadow in so long, so I got like really excited, and I was like, let me just do a Christmas. Yeah, I'll be like